Rapids Water Park is the perfect place for your next school outing, camp, corporate event, or family reunion. Make a splash in over 35 acres of rides and attractions at South Florida's largest water park with something fun for everyone. Whether you are planning an outing for 20 people or more than 5,000, a group event at Rapids Water Park is an easy and great way to bring together and reward your family, friends, employees, team members, or your organization's best customers. You'll receive a discount on 20 or more admission tickets when purchased in advance through our group sales department. A variety of food options are available for add-ons, from meal vouchers to a sweet treat. Catered options are also available for groups of 50 or more, with all-day admission and an all-you-can-eat buffet meal served in our private picnic pavilion. Our event specialists can help you plan a day that gives you and your group the most fun and the best value, with options that can be tailored to fit your needs. You'll just need to show up and sit back and relax.